Imagine waiting years for the next big Apple innovation, only to realize the devices you are buying today might be completely obsolete tomorrow. Apple is hiding something massive. They're secretly building an entire Ultra lineup that will completely change how we use technology. Today, we are diving deep into the 5 brand new Ultra devices Apple is preparing to release over the next couple of years. This is not just a small upgrade. This is a complete revolution of the Apple ecosystem. Right now, we already have a few products carrying the Ultra name. We have the incredible Apple Watch Ultra. We also have the immensely powerful Ultra silicon chips inside the Mac Studio. But Apple is not stopping there. They want to expand this premium, top-tier branding across their entire range of products. They're going all in on Ultra. The first massive product on this list is a completely new take on the iPhone. We have been hearing rumors for years about an Apple foldable device. People called it the iPhone Fold. But recent leaks suggest a major name change. This new device will actually be called the iPhone Ultra. This makes perfect sense. This is going to be the absolute pinnacle of smartphone technology. It will be the most premium iPhone you can buy. It is going to look and feel completely different from any traditional iPhone we have ever seen. The biggest change is obvious. It is a folding phone. It will feature a beautiful screen on the outside for quick tasks. Then, it will open up to reveal a massive, uninterrupted display on the inside. Leaks point to a 5.5-inch outer display. When you open it up, you're greeted by a stunning 7.8-inch inner display. This inner screen is basically the size of an iPad mini. This larger canvas changes everything. You can multitask like a pro. You can have multiple apps running side by side with zero lag. It will be the ultimate productivity machine in your pocket. Watching movies and viewing photos will be incredibly immersive. But the screens are just the beginning. The iPhone Ultra is bringing back a fan-favorite feature. Face ID might be gone on this specific model. Instead, Apple is bringing back Touch ID. It will likely be integrated directly into the power button or even under the screen itself. Speaking of under the screen, the front-facing camera is getting a major upgrade. Apple is working on an under-display camera for the inner screen. This means no notch. This means no dynamic island interrupting your massive foldable display. It will be pure, uninterrupted glass. On the back, it will keep things sleek and simple with a highly advanced dual-camera system. Now, you might think a folding phone with all this tech would be thick and heavy. You'd be wrong. Apple is obsessed with making this device unbelievably thin. When unfolded, the iPhone Ultra is expected to be incredibly thin, measuring between 4 and 4.5 millimeters. That is almost as thin as a piece of thick cardboard. When it is folded shut, it will sit at roughly 9 millimeters. That is thinner than many standard phones with a case on them. This thinness is a major engineering marvel. Apple is targeting a release date around September 2026. This gives them time to perfect the hinge and the flexible display technology. Moving on from the phone, we have a product that sounds almost like science fiction. Apple is developing AirPods Ultra. You might be wondering how you can possibly make wireless earbuds Ultra. The answer is cameras. Yes, Apple is actually planning to put tiny cameras into the stems of the AirPods. These could be traditional micro cameras or advanced infrared sensors. But why would you want cameras on your ears? It is all about spatial awareness and understanding your surroundings. These cameras will observe the environment around you. If the AirPods detect that you have walked into a busy, noisy office, they will automatically adjust the audio profile. If you step onto a loud subway train, they will instantly ramp up the active noise cancellation. They will read the room for you. But it goes even deeper than that. These cameras will tie directly into the next generation of Apple Intelligence. You will be able to ask your AirPods a question about something you are looking at, and they will answer you. You can look at a famous landmark, ask your AirPods what it is, and Siri will give you the history in your ear. It is like having a smart assistant that can actually see the world exactly as you do. To power all of this incredible new technology, the AirPods Ultra will feature the brand new H3 chip. This next-generation silicon will handle the complex camera data and environmental processing without draining the battery. The active noise cancellation will be pushed to levels we have never experienced before. Just like the iPhone Ultra, these futuristic earbuds are targeted for a 2026 release. Next up is a device that creatives have been begging for. The iPad is finally getting the Ultra treatment. We're talking about the highly anticipated iPad Ultra. Rumors about a massive iPad have been floating around for a very long time. We heard whispers about it back when a MacBook Neo was just a rumor. Now, The rumors are solidifying. Apple is building a gigantic 16-inch iPad. This is going to provide an absolutely massive canvas for artists, video editors, and musicians. It will likely feature a stunning tandem OLED display. This means the colors will be incredibly vibrant, and the blacks will be perfectly dark. It will feature promotion technology, hitting refresh rates of up to 120 Hz for buttery, smooth scrolling and drawing. But the size is not the only crazy thing about this iPad. Because a 16-inch tablet is quite difficult to carry around, there's a very strong chance this device will also fold. This could be Apple's very first foldable tablet. You could fold it in half to fit into a normal backpack and unfold it into a massive portable studio. Unlike the iPhone Ultra, this foldable iPad probably will not have an outer screen. It will just be one giant screen that folds shut like a book to protect itself. To drive a screen this big and handle complex professional workflows, Apple cannot just use standard M-series chips. The iPad Ultra is expected to leap ahead and utilize the Pro versions of Apple Silicon. Imagine having the power of an M5 Pro chip inside a tablet. It will rival desktop computers in pure processing power. The line between a laptop and a tablet will be completely erased. Speaking of laptops, the MacBook lineup is also getting an Ultra edition. We already have the powerful Pro and Max chips inside current MacBooks. But Apple is preparing to launch a MacBook Ultra. This machine will be an absolute powerhouse design for the most demanding professionals on Earth. It is heavily rumored to feature the first ever OLED display on a MacBook. This OLED panel will offer incredible contrast and perfect color accuracy, which is essential for professional video and photo editing. Inside this beast, we could see the introduction of the M5 Ultra or even the M6 Ultra chip. Putting an Ultra-tier desktop chip inside a portable laptop chassis is an insane engineering challenge. It will require a completely redesigned cooling system. There are also strong rumors that Apple might introduce an 18-inch version of this MacBook. We currently have a 16-inch MacBook Pro, but an 18-inch MacBook Ultra would offer even more screen real estate for massive timelines and complex coding windows. Because this is the absolute top tier of Apple computing, it is going to be incredibly expensive. Leaks suggest the starting price for a baseline MacBook Ultra will be well over $4,000. Once you start upgrading the unified memory and the storage space, the price will skyrocket even further. There is even a wild rumor floating around that this MacBook Ultra might finally introduce a touchscreen to the Mac lineup. A touch-enabled OLED 18-inch laptop with an M6 Ultra chip would be the ultimate dream machine. Finally, we arrive at the desktop. Apple is planning a resurrection. They are bringing back the massive desktop experience with the iMac Ultra. Ever since Apple retired the 27-inch Intel iMac back in 2020, people have been waiting for a larger silicon replacement. The current 24-inch iMac is great, but it is just not big enough for many professionals. The iMac Ultra is going to fix that with a glorious 32-inch display. This screen will likely borrow heavily from the incredible Pro Display XDR technology. It will be breathtakingly sharp and bright. While an OLED panel is a possibility, it is unlikely due to the massive cost of producing a 32-inch OLED screen. Instead, it will feature high-end mini-LED technology for brilliant HDR performance. This huge, all-in-one computer will not just be about the screen. It will be packed with serious power. Apple is expected to equip the iMac Ultra with either the M5 Max or the massive M5 Ultra chip. This will make it a self-contained rendering monster. It will finally give desktop users the massive, beautiful, powerful all-in-one machine they have been missing for years. So, that is the complete picture of Apple's massive Ultra Masterplan. We are looking at a super thin, foldable iPhone Ultra that redefines the smartphone. We have AirPods Ultra with built-in cameras that can actually see the world around you. We are getting a massive, potentially foldable 16-inch iPad Ultra powered by Pro-level silicon. We have an insanely powerful 18-inch OLED MacBook Ultra that might finally feature a touchscreen. And we are seeing the glorious return of the big desktop with a 32-inch iMac Ultra. This lineup is going to completely shake up the tech industry. It shows that Apple is not afraid to push boundaries and experiment with completely radical new ideas. In my opinion, the device that has the most potential to change our daily lives is the AirPods Ultra. Putting cameras into earbuds sounds totally crazy at first, but when you think about how it integrates with AI to understand your environment, it makes perfect sense. It is the closest thing we have to augmented reality without having to wear a heavy headset. The foldable iPhone is exciting, but we have seen foldables before. Earbuds that can see the world are a completely new frontier. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's future, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with a friend who loves Apple tech, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on these incredible upcoming devices. Let me know down in the comments which of these 5 Ultra devices you would buy first.